Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for being here back on my kitchen to watch another video and another recipe. On today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make loaded potato soup, something very easy and cheap to make. First thing you are going to do, you want to chop 7 slices of bacon, and you're gonna cut them in small pieces. Put them on a pan with a little bit of olive oil and fry the bacon. Once the bacon is already fried, you're gonna set that aside and you are gonna start cooking the roux that you are gonna be using for your potato soup today. You can also use the same oil as you fry the bacon. I don't really recommend it because the flavor will overtake the soup. Now we are going to make the roux, and what you need for that is half a stick of butter. You're gonna put them on a pan, you're gonna let it melt, and after it melts you're gonna add half a cup of onions. Of course, the onions needs to be already cut in small pieces, and you're gonna let it cooked until they get a little bit brown. Once the onions are a little bit brown, now you want to add half a cup of all-purpose flour, and you're gonna whisk that out until the purple flour unify themselves with the oils and the onions to make a beautiful roux, to make a beautiful dish. Once everything become creamy, now you know you're ready to add your chicken stock, and we keep whisking over here, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Now what you are going to do, you're gonna add 3 cups of chicken stock. You're gonna move around. You also are going to add 4 cups of milk. And right here I have 6 potatoes that I have chopped in small pieces, really small pieces. So that way it's easier for them to cook. Now you're gonna put the potatoes and you're gonna let them get soft. I'm gonna let it cook for around 25 to 30 minutes to make sure they all get soft and have the right consistency for us to cook. Right here, I'm gonna get a potato masher and I'm gonna mash some of them so that way I can get that creamy taste and beautiful color that I want on this soup. You don't have to do this step, but I really recommend for you to do it. Now we are going to stir. And look how beautiful this looks. It has a very beautiful smell. It has that creamy taste. This cannot be most perfect for this time of the year. Look at that. Beautiful. Completely amazing. Right here I'm gonna use a little bit of salt, and me in particular I'm gonna use a lot of black pepper. You don't have to use that much. I just want to bring a lot of and a little bit of heat to this soup. If you don't like heat, if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add that much. You can just add a little tablespoon of it, but I want to add a lot because it adds a really nice touch and a really nice flavor to this recipe. Now you want to add the bacon that you already cooked when at the beginning of this recipe. You're gonna stir that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment down below. If you're new, also subscribe. We're also gonna be adding a half a cup of sour cream. Gonna move that around. And we are gonna put a bit of cheddar cheese. This is optional, you don't have to put it, but I think it really add a really great flavor to this recipe, and it also helps to have a really creamy taste to this soup. And here are the end results. Look how beautiful this look. You can also put a little bit of bacon on it. At time of serve. Look at that, guys. Completely amazing. Something very easy, cheap, and delicious to make. I would really recommend for you to make, especially this time of the year that the cold weather is coming our way and everything is getting cooler. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notification, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. I will see you next time with another recipe, another video here on my kitchen. Raf Kitchen.